Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video today, I am going to discuss 45 days preparation strategy and I am going to share a study plan with you which can help you in the preparation of upcoming SEBI legal exam. You can fill the online application form for the SEBI legal exam from June 11 to June 30. Phase 1 online examination is on 27th of July and Phase 2 online examination is on 31st of August. In this video, I am going to address few common queries. Number 1 is given time enough for preparation if you start now? So you have around 45 days to phase 1, around 30 days till phase 2. So is that time enough to prepare for these exams? Second is phase 1 in July, phase 2 is in August. How to manage the time and how to study for phase 1 and phase 2 in the given time so that you are prepared for this exam. So our discussion will revolve around these queries. Before delving deeper into the strategy, I want to tell you about our previous experiences for SEBI legal exam. In 2023, the syllabus and the exam pattern changed suddenly. And out of these 25 students who got selected, 12 were from iExamB. 10 students were from SEBI Legal Comprehensive or Exclusive course and 2 were our interview course users. So you can see we have been guiding students, we have been helping students in their journey of SEBI legal officer, and we have been doing this over the past 3 recruitments. From the past 4 years, we have been guiding students for SEBI legal exam preparation and subsequent selections have been there over the years. We have been able to adapt to the change in exam pattern as well. You can also enroll in iExamB's course and make your preparation 50% faster. You can use the various study material, summary sheets, MCQ booklets, section test, mock test for your preparation of SEBI legal exam. Check out our courses for crisp and concise content and make your preparation 50% faster with us. Now moving ahead. This is a document, this is complete guide which also has the study plan and preparation strategy. You can find this guide attached in the description below. Now in this guide you will find all the details related to the exam. Initially you will have discussion related to SEBI as an organization, the departments where you can be posted, salary and perks, number of vacancies that have been there over the past years, eligibility, and then you also have a brief mention of the success stories, what Umang has said about his preparation, what was his strategy, what was the strategy of Raghav, who was a fresher and prepared for this exam with just 2 months of preparation. He started his preparation after the notification. Then there was Prerna who cleared the exam in her second attempt. There was Mrinal who cleared the exam with just 3 months of preparation from the notification till the final exam. So you can go through these write-ups and understand what strategies they have used. You can also refer to these discussions from our YouTube channel. Coming to the exam pattern. Now here if you see, your phase 1 is only qualifying and that too with not much high cutoff. You just need to score 80 marks in phase 1. In paper 1 there are 4 subjects. There is no sectional cutoff. So here you have to attempt 24 questions to get a minimum of 30 marks. If you attempt these 24 questions with 100% accuracy, you will get 30 marks and that is the minimum cutoff requirement for paper 1. Here out of these 4 subjects, you can study any 2 subjects thoroughly, 1 subject partially and the last subject, 4th subject you can leave out completely. Whether you want to leave out GA or quantitative aptitude, that is in your hand. Coming to paper 2, that is your legal paper, here you have 50 questions of 100 marks and the minimum cutoff is 40. Here the minimum cutoff was 30. Overall minimum cutoff for phase 1 is 80. So you need to get extra 10 marks in either paper 1 and paper 2. You can get these extra 10 marks here. So if I say in paper 2 you are targeting somewhere 50 score, for that you have to attempt 25 questions with 100% accuracy. And that is not very difficult. If you look at the syllabus, this is your phase 1 paper 2 syllabus. Constitution of India 10 questions, contract 12 to 13 questions. Then these 4 civil laws 12 to 13 questions, admin law, jurisprudence, important Latin terms and maxims 10 questions, law of torts, Consumer Protection Act 5 questions. Here you can choose to go for selective study. Cover Constitution of India completely, cover law of contracts completely. Now CPC is one topic, is one act which is a huge one and only 3 to 4 questions come from this entire topic. So you can leave CPC out. I will suggest completely do Transfer of Property Act, arbitration, since you have to do only selective chapters in this. Then also complete Limitation Act. From each of these three acts, you can expect somewhere 3 to 4 questions each. Then admin law, jurisprudence, important Latin terms and maxims. More questions come from the maxims. So you can completely cover the maxims, and for admin law jurisprudence, you can take the call whether you want to complete them or not. If you enroll in iExam-based course, you will get crisp and concise material for these uncodified laws, and you can just refer to the given material. Same goes for Law of Torts and Consumer Protection Act. From each of these areas, you will get 2 to 3 questions. So you may as well choose to skip any of these areas. Mostly students go for leaving out Consumer Protection Act because it is comparatively huge and has only 2 questions. So that is why you can go for selective study here in your phase 1 paper 2. And you can use much of your time for your phase 2 paper 2 preparation. In phase 2 paper 2, you have first paper 1, which is descriptive English, in which you have essay, précis, comprehension. Paper 2 is legal, in which you have MCQs and descriptive portion. Both are present there. For phase 2 paper 2, you cannot leave any topic. Old criminal laws are coming in the exam. You have to study new criminal laws for MCQs, only the amended or the newly added provisions. You have to completely cover Corporate Law, Companies Act. In IBC, just go for part 1 and part 2. And you have to also completely prepare the securities law part as well. So you cannot leave any of this part because the cutoff goes considerably higher. And now if you are a fresher, with interview having more weightage for experienced candidates, you really need to score good enough marks in your phase 2. In my upcoming videos, I will share with you what a fresher should target in phase 2, how many marks an experienced candidate can target in phase 2. For now, remember, it's possible for fresher and both experienced professional to clear this exam. How you are going to use your time, that is in your hand. Then you have your interview. Now in this document, you will also find one study plan attached below. This study plan is a 45-day study plan, and it mentions every topic that you have to cover on a daily basis. This study plan is for a fresh candidate who is just starting their preparation and is ready to devote 8 to 10 hours on a daily basis. If you are a working professional or you have been preparing for quite some time, in certain areas, the time that you need to cover that topic may considerably reduce. And if that is the case, then you may better use that time for your revision, for your practice, and for your coverage of other areas. So here, if you see, on day 1, you have current affairs of May. In first week, you have to cover current affairs of May. Few reasoning topics, you have to practice and revise those reasoning topics, and you are covering securities laws. Now, if you already know securities law, you can directly skip to week 2, or you can pick up Companies Act. So you may tweak it a little bit. You may modify the study plan according to your strengths and weaknesses. Right now, I am giving you an ideal plan. Then in the second week, you will be covering current affairs of April. You will be covering phase 1 topic constitution and few other SEBI regulations. By week 2, your securities law and constitution should be done. Week 3, you will be focusing June current affairs, you will be focusing some other topics of reasoning, and you have already started your practice of English. So you will be continuing with your practice of English, and you will be covering up Companies Act for 3 weeks. Here, if you are that student which is very much worried about phase 1, you are not at all confident of phase 1, in week 3, you can skip Companies Act and you can first cover up phase 1 topics, and then you can move on to phase 2 topics a little bit later. From week 4 onwards, you will be covering only phase 1 topics of your paper 2 along with your paper 1. So here you will be covering up current affairs of June, and you have already started quant. If you want to leave out quant entirely, then you may use this time to cover up other areas, to practice and to revise. Here you are covering up Indian Contract Act, Specific Relief, Sale of Goods and Partnership Act. Then in week 5, you will be covering up July's current affairs, few more topics of quant, you will be practicing English, and civil laws, law of torts, legal maxims of your paper 2. In week 6, I have mentioned CPC, Consumer Protection Act, admin law. If you are planning to leave this out, then you may use this time for your revision. So here, this is a very comprehensive study plan. You can follow this to give a direction to your preparation. You can take a printout and see how much time you are taking to cover any topic. And in this way, you can plan and strategize your preparation. By following this study plan in 45 days, you will be able to cover the entire phase 1, and you will be able to cover Companies Act and securities law regulations of phase 2. What will be remaining will be your phase 2 topics, criminal law, evidence, IBC and LLB. And after your phase 1, you can devote initial 7 to 10 days for coverage of these topics, and then the rest 20 days for the revision of phase 2. I will be sharing a phase 2 study plan after phase 1. So I hope this has given you a certain idea of how you can best prepare for this upcoming exam. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below. You can also check out our SEBI Grade A Legal online course. In this course, we will find live classes, practice tests, study material PDF, short quiz videos, interview guidance, MCQ booklets, revision booklets, summary modules, everything available in a single course for 50% faster preparation of SEBI legal exam. For details about this course or for getting any of your queries resolved, you can call us on this number 8851564563. I will suggest you to go and attempt a mock test for phase 1 and see where you are standing, and accordingly you can follow the study plan. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.